Alright guys, I'm back. Hopefully we won't get the interruption. Alright. So you guys come on back, 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 come on back. Okay, let's see. Alright, this is what we're gonna do here. So here, let's go to Euro USD. $30. Let's go to the daily. Weekly. Alright. Downtrend. Downtrend. Sideways. Downtrend. Possible reversal. Downtrend. 4-hour downtrend. Possible reversal. Strong will go for that 4-hour. Strong move here. Got anybody in the chats? Nobody. No one watching in the chats. All good. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. What's it doing? Cutting down. Oh. Down trend. Trying to make it push up. Hold on a second, guys. Alright, I'm back. A little higher. So we're probably gonna get that push up for a higher low. That push up for a higher low. Looking for a higher low. Let's see what structure do we have. Yeah, probably nothing here. The only thing we have here is we got a 4-hour candle imbalance. Change that. My imbalance color. I got a 4-hour candle imbalance there. And a little bit of 4-hour candle imbalance here. And then, of course, we've got this zone, which technically it is a doji, so we can actually include, I include the whole candle. Okay. Alright, so the 50% entry looks good. We have zone here on around the 61.8. Take us down. And actually, yeah, man, we have a bunch of, so we do have one on the 78.6 ending at of course our 100, because that's why I started the Fibonacci at, but it has been tested. That zone has been tested. This zone has not been tested unless we actually include that whole doji. That's been tested, but this zone has absolutely not been tested. This candle imbalance may not necessarily need to be filled, but again, we'll have to go through this zone here, so we can more than likely look for some buys. I would be looking for some buys. Let's see here. Let me take a look at this on a 5-minute. Overall, I think it's going to go. I think it's going to go down. So we get an entry here. Going up. Shit, if we jump into the 15, yeah, like that's clear candles. 30 minutes, yeah. Let's see, it's 8:24. See, rally page, rally page. So 30 minutes, rally page, drop, page, rally page. Let me get a rally base rally here. I'll probably take this on a break and retest. This is Euro USD. We are in the US session. Hopefully my rambling kind of helps you guys. Coming off of this 4 hour. 4 hour right there. 4 hour down there. A couple of zones out there. I think we're going to get that push to the upside to fill these imbalances and to come off of these 4 hour zones. We'll wait to get in here. Alright guys, I'll be right back. Let's see. Alright guys, I am back. See what we got going on. Alright, Euro USD. Take a look at G. I think I already had G marked out my institutional zones. Let's see. Downtrend. Still in a downtrend. Downtrend. And we can even draw a field off of that. Look like we got a 61.8 rejection here on the daily. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. So we're still thinking downtrend, right? We drew our fib from our most the most recent high to here. The 4 hour, I don't think. Yeah, we should be getting. We should have that push up. But again, we failed to break this high. So we do have candle imbalance here. That is 4 hour candle imbalance. Got a 4 hour candle imbalance there. So I mean, this is the daily field for the drill. Let's see, yeah, that's the daily field for the drill. So we could get a 78.6 rejection before continuing on the downtrend. We did get this bounce from this institutional demand zone right here. How far is that boy shoot up? It came down and shot up about 409 pips. Okay. Give me 1 second. Guys, I gotta get my office cleaned up before I come back on camera. Let's see. It failed to break the house, yeah. Let's see. Let's see how our trade is going. It failed to break that. This week, let's see if I select next week. I just wanted to show you guys here. Let's do it. It's the first through the 7th. Show you guys this J trade right here, where I took 50 cents off of the trade. So we were up a little over 100 pips. I took 50 cents off of that trade, and so we're currently still up 112 pips. So, hey FX Telepath, man, thanks so much for stopping in, sir. I really appreciate you so much. It means a lot. It says, what's up, at 8:36. Alright, I'm a little late. I need to look down at the chat better. But I do appreciate you for stopping in. I know you're a busy man. So thank you so much, sir. Okay. I think I'm going to play around with Euro USD today. Looks like we're going to get pushed up. Let's see. Yeah, we're getting that push, getting that push, getting that push, getting that push, getting that push. Okay, so starting down here, rally base, rally base, rally. All right. You can really base out this whole area right here. We actually had this break of probably better for me to do this on TradingView, but I'd like for you guys to see my trades. This break here of this little 5-minute zone broke, retested, shooting up. We do have this 5-minute zone right here that we're currently breaking. Maybe we'll get a retest. We can jump up. Let's see, 4 hour. Should close in 19. I think I'm gonna wait on that 4 hour to close. If they get a break and a retest here. Let me take a look at the news again, guys. News, USD news is in an hour and 20 minutes. I still think this thing is gonna eventually go down, but these do have these 4 hour structures that need to be taken care of. This is Euro USD. It's gonna base out for us. We got 3 minutes on that. See if that's gonna base out for us. 25 minutes. GU. We're still kind of playing around with GU. I said GU is coming off of this, but it is currently in a downtrend. I think it's gonna go up. I really believe that GU is gonna go up more and probably give us maybe pin, if not altogether reject at 78.6 and just kind of come through 61.8. So that's what I'm waiting for on that. It'll last touch this demand zone here. So Euro USD kind of got this tension here. Probably gonna miss out on this move, but it's all good. So we have definitely broken the last, broken through the last highs on the 5 minute, and let's see. In this first 4-hour candle imbalance, that's a whole 40 pip profit range. So see, we weren't in the zone. This would have been a good entry. 3 pips there. Going to draw down on 6 pips. I mean, if you're scalping, that works great. But I think we're gonna get this break, get a retest, base out, and then maybe catch it on the next closing rally candle. And try not to do the indicators too much. So the RSI is almost overbought here. Let's see if we got any divergence anywhere. Yeah. So we do have divergence here and here. Of course, the best way to trade that is on the breakable trend line. So I mean, technically here or here would have been your entry, and now you're probably just not getting your breakout here. So yeah, this is gonna go up. I'll tell you what. We did get a break. We did get a retest right here. I would like to see this base out. Guarantee this is going to give us, I think, a 50% entry or either a 61.8. It's on the 4-hour. So we got news coming out at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is about an hour and 12 minutes out. The consensus is that it's going to be positive. Positive means the euro will go down, right? Euro USD will go down. We had a small imbalance here that has been filled. Probably gonna get a nice little base. Would like to see a nice little base. We feel comfortable with entering into a trade. Potential imbalance here. Well, if that counter closes as a doji, we won't, and then it will shoot up. Right. So I'm glad I didn't enter in on that scalp. Now I can do this. It almost looks like a news candle, doesn't it, guys? See, we got a getting a 78.6 rejection. It pushed through to 61.8. You get a nice base, but that candle, the volume of that candle is a little too big, guys, to kind of get a solid entry. For me, you know, I really like I love the engulfing patterns, but I prefer like a 1 to 2 candle engulfing. I don't like this whole 3, 4, 5 candles for a bullish, because it's not that strong to me as a 1 or 2 candle bullish push. I mean, for instance, you can take a look at this. It's a 1 candle bullish. The market kept going up. 1 candle bullish kept going up. 1 candle bullish, it kept going up. 1 candle bearish, it went down a little. Okay, 1 candle bullish and up. Okay, we got a 2 candle bullish, it went up. All right, so why didn't I get in this trade this time? Because I was very close to getting into this trade on EU going long. Is because I was waiting on a basing, and we kind of got it here. We kind of got this rally base drop. So we'll probably get another like stair step type deal. So like I say, I prefer like 1 or 2 candle bullish pattern. This would be a nice bullish if the volume of this candle fills this, or if we get, you know, 2 candles to push that. But again, we got to push through the 61.8. We really didn't get a wick here. Let's see on the 15 minute. I mean, yeah, we can kind of see where it wicked through the 61.8 on the 15 minute. Of course, the higher the time frame, then you can see that. Got a nice little doji right there. I prefer for this 4 hour anyway. Take these off. That's the only thing about MetaTrader, guys. It's just hard to see through different things. Yeah, just waiting on this 4 hour. If it's 4 hour, if the 4 hour, if it closes bullish, that's a different story. I'm here, guys. Little stuff here, sorry. We got a drop, say, rally type deal. Alright, rally phase. That'll give us a nice little rally. Drop down to the 5 minute to lower time frame. This is actually most recent low. So this is the most recent low, though. Let's go here. Most recent low to most recent high. Yeah. I think the 4 hour is gonna close going up. Okay. You could get a nice engulfing pattern right here, coming off of the 78.6. Oh, yeah. I hate seeing that on the onset of a candle like that when there's so much time left in the candle. So it doesn't look like we're gonna get that engulfing. We're probably gonna get another base down. Hey guys, we'll take a look at the some of the stocks as well. Let me go ahead and load up Amazon here. Hold on a second, guys. Give me 1 second. All right, I'm back, guys. Stocks. You guys know I like to watch Amazon. Man, it gave us a higher high and a lower low. So we're pinning through the 100. Pinning through the 100. All right. 30, a little less than 30 seconds left before 9 o'clock. So before the 4-hour candle. Looks like GJ is making some moves up for us. All right, on this trade. All right, so the pound is rallying up just in this instance. Let's see what EU does. So this is what I hate, because it gave us another 5-minute zone to break above. Not really giving us a setup for it engulfing. Alright, so we're probably going to get another push down on this again. Alright, I mean, if you just look at the 5-minute, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Oh wait, where am I? Higher high, higher low, higher high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, higher low, lower high, higher low, same high, lower low. This 5 minutes been choppy. Higher high, higher low, same high, higher low, higher high, lower low. It's crazy. It's been ranging like crazy. But looking for this push up. All right, let's see how the 4-hour close. We did not get an engulfing. All right, we did not get a 1 candle engulfing here. We may end up getting a 2 candle. See what did we do on the 1 hour? Closed as a, what I'm gonna call a bearish doji. Alright, so maybe we'll get that engulfing there. 30-minute closed as a bearish engulfing. So we're probably gonna get the push down. So we come from the very last low to the very last high. Alright, because again, we're all expecting for this to go up. We got a pin through the 100 entry. Okay. Still no setup for an engulfing. The open of the current candle is higher than the close of the previous candle, so that's not a real good setup for an engulfing. So this market probably, I mean, and they still go up, even though like they're not, the open and closes aren't equal. But you can see here that we got an engulfing here. Here there wasn't the opening and close were off. So, I mean, but that was after we got a true engulfing right here. So, but I've seen it, you know, because, you know, on the lower time frames, you know, like on the 1 minute, I don't think I have the 1 minute on here. I have the 1 minute on here. It's just Can't see it. Let's see. The standard charts. Line studies. What's that? Oh no, I want the line studies. Charts. Yeah, I want the charts. Standard. Oh, if I take the standard off there. I don't need more. There we go. I don't need strategy. Don't need that. I want it. I don't know how to do that. Auto trade. Cool. Alright. So again, guys, like these wicks, when you go down to the lower time frames, you know, it's the structure. Alright. It's a range, but the structure. So, excuse me. Oh, guys, sorry. I like to go no lower than 5 minutes. I mean, technically, the last swing, if we go like swing high, swing low, technically the last swing was here. Alright. Could be coming down getting another retest of our institutional zone here, but technically our last swing was here. So we go last swing to that. Technically you're looking at 61.8, maybe a 78.6 entry to come down and retest that. Left the zone up here, left 5 minute imbalance up here, 5 minute zone, 5 minute imbalance. No imbalance nowhere else. I wonder who saw this going bearish like that. Alright, let's take a look at Amazon. Okay. Can we get a break of this tell if we're still in the uptrend off of the bridge? Let's this bounce. Let's take a look at 4 hours. So we got going on here. We got a base range here that is not being tested. Did it come close? Today is Monday, so we probably should just clear all this out. It's been tested. Gives an exhaustion square here. Early up there, gives a nice early down. Current 4 hours over here. Opening bell in about 17 minutes. Come back over to 0. So we got that. We did get a pin through the 61.8. We did get a bullish. Alright, we'll go ahead and get that push up now. What time did I say the news was that? What time was that news? I'm talking about chat. Official Williams got me saying chat. So 10 o'clock and 45 minutes. Yeah. I would just stay out of Euro. I would just stay out of USD for right now. I've got no one on the stream guide. It's all good. I know I've been away for a minute, but man, it doesn't add up to have over 1,800 subs to the channel. I'm gonna like my video. I'm being corny here. I'm gonna like my video. Man, wow. So yeah, we definitely put that picture right here. So this is gonna be swing low. I'll leave this here right now. And wait. But yeah, if I was looking for an entry, this would have been the entry right here. Beautiful pill. One thing that would probably help, I'll go ahead and get my office cleaned up and set the webcam up. You guys will probably come in there. I'm going to be live. I'm not going to live stream. Pretty much, let me see. Yeah, pretty much every day this week. I will come on live. I'll go ahead and set. I don't know if I can do that. I'll set them up later. Let's see what's going on. I'll wait for the opening bell. Probably end the stream. So hey guys, GJ. Let me see. Let's see if I can see anything. Any reason why GJ would come down and go back up? Not really. Not really, to tell you the truth. Not to come back down and go back up. Let's see. There's Bennie. We have this zone here that has not been tested. It's come close. It could come down and shoot back up, but like I said, overall, we were in a downtrend. I was just trying to get this push back up to test this zone here. What did I end up doing? Here it is. Yeah, take profits here on the monthly. Put this zone. I doubt if I get, I'll probably get stopped out. But so if I get stopped out, it'd be $19.46. Let's make 50 and 20. $20.12. Yes. $20.07. $20.03. $19.99. We're going to $20.02. Alright. If I get stopped out, it'll be $20, so $70 on that trade. And probably what I'm going to do is, like for instance, if I come over here into Euro USD, I would scalp it to half of 1%. That's just how I would do if I was a scalper. Yeah, this entry went up 4 pips. 4 points. Yeah. We had this break. We did have this breaker structure on the 5 minutes. So, we broke through all of this. So I do think this is going to go up. I do still think that this is going to go up. They'll eventually fill these imbalances and come and test this zone here on the 4 hour. This 50%. Anyway. Oh, this is the deal. 6 minutes before the opening bell. Amazon is not showing us anything for the pre-market alpha market for the S&P 500. S&P 500. Thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate you guys. S&P 500 has been kind of giving us a little push. And between these two zones, euro. We got the pan through the 61.8. Or wick through the 61.8. Let's see, we've got about 35 minutes before the news for USD. The consensus is positive, so the technical should be going down. Maybe we get a test of that zone right there. Okay, that's 4 hours. That was a 4-hour zone. That was a 4-hour zone. Let's do this. Thank you to my 2 viewers. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. If you don't mind, do me a favor. Hit that thumbs up on the video. If you dislike it, hit that thumbs down button twice to really let me know how much you dislike it. I really appreciate it. You know, we haven't looked at, guys, we have not looked at gold. 9:30 opening bell. On that opening bell is pushing us up. Getting a push up on the opening bell. Let's see if we get a break of this 4 hour. It's all right there. So I know you guys think we're gonna get a break of this 4 hour right here. The S&P 500. We're gonna bring it out. GJs, take a look at my trade. Ooh, coming down. It's coming down. It's coming down. We got this 4 hour right here. This one. Let's take another 4 hour. Got a little while. So we may end up getting that push down to tap that 4 hour demand zone right there. Possibly be a 78.6 entry. Yeah, hopefully not 100%. That plus spread may take it out. But we're still currently up over 100 pips on that. So we've already got what, 104 off of it. So it's all good. Euro, I'm shooting up a little bit for us. Amazon needs to fill this gap. And it has created. Could come back down to test this on. Yeah, I was looking for some sales on this, but I don't think it really didn't have enough structure. Let me see. I think this would be a 4 hour, yeah. Negative 78.6 on 100% entry. Make it a double top. But yeah. I think it's on a 4 hour. That'd be great. We do have a setup here for engulfing. So yeah. See our 1 o'clock candle. Luis Point. Hey man, yeah, I did go over Euro USD, but I have no problem with telling you what I see. Thanks for tuning back in, man. I really appreciate you. I apologize for just seeing your comment, but if I came all the way out to the monthly, see that we're in the downtrend, lower highs, lower lows. We failed to break this. This high failed to break this, so we're in another lower high. So technically, we are in the downtrend, right? Same thing on the weekly, daily, 4 hour. Now, You guys know the market is full of correcting. Technically, my bias for it was that we have some candle imbalances that need to be filled. This will be coming on the 4-hour. This is one that I forgot to mark. Another candle imbalance. We also have this supply zone that has not been tested yet. Okay. Come up to the 4-hour. If we go from that, the last high before the upper structure was broken. I'm thinking again. I'm thinking EU is overall in the downtrend, right? So I'm thinking that we're gonna get a corrective move to fill 1, 2, 3 candle imbalances. Then we have a zone here. We have a supply zone here at our 50% entry. Then we also have a supply here starting at our 61.8% entry. However, this supply has been broken and retested and held pretty well and pushed out of. So I really think that we'll get, if anything, I think we may get a pin or a wick through the 61.8. All right. And worst case scenario, this is my bias. Worst case scenario, we'll get a wick through the 61.8 and then push off. I'm thinking we'll probably actually get a test and maybe a wick through the 50% entry before continuing down. So that's why I dropped on my 5-minute looking for buys. All right, overall downtrend, but I'm looking for a counter trend on the 5-minute. I apologize. I know that was kind of all over the place. I hope you understand that. If you don't understand what I was saying, I will have no problem with going back over it. Now, also looking at the fundamentals. All right. Taking a look at the news. We've got high impact news. Consensus is 9.27. Previous is 9.2. So the consensus is positive. So that means that EU will go down in favor of the USD portion of the pair. All right, and that's based on the consensus, and that's usually wrong. So I'm feeling pretty confident that it will push back up, but could be wrong. So yeah. So again, we have these imbalances. I dropped down to the 5-minute. I have this zone that's been created. We were looking at this zone that was created, but it was broken through. It was broken. We thought we were getting a retest. I didn't get in because I didn't get a nice base, a nice basing. So it came back down, drew out my fib. Let's see, we got a 61.8, a wick through the 61.8, rejection of the 78.6, wick through the 50, rejection of the 61.8. And so it's gradually going up right now. The news is coming out in 20 minutes. So we may end up getting a push up if these candle imbalances are to to go ahead and be filled, and the demand zone, the supply zone to be tested. This supply zone has already been tested, but that doesn't mean it won't come all the way through and retest it again. Alright, but yeah, as far as like a quick scalp, I'm thinking counter trend buy, and it'll probably consolidate until the news comes out, and that news may go ahead and give us that push up. I really don't trade the news. I'm probably gonna just stay on the sidelines of that one. You guys know usually when I pull up my news at the beginning of the day, the pairs that have high impact news, I typically stay away from them for that day if I'm thinking about scalping them or entering into a swing trade. So I hope that all makes sense, guys. If not, let me know. Yes, sir, that's what I was thinking. We're basically in a pullback right now before it continues to drop. Yes, sir, I'm with you on that one. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. And those are my reasons. So we'll see. But we'll see. We don't control. We don't move the market. So only thing we can do is make educated guess on the direction we think the market is going to go in. So we got a gap here. Amazon needs to fill. Amazon is good for making gaps, but they do fill them, as you see here. We had a 495 pip gap that did get filled. We had roughly a 177 pip gap that got filled. We had a 123 pip gap that did get filled, and this particular gap is 2,125 pip gap. So I'm glad you stopped there, man. I was about to get out of here, man. I was like, I know it's been a while. I doubt if anybody comes through. US CAD would be a good pair to look at for that trade. For the news, which is in about 16 minutes. So, and you know what? I bet I wonder how UJ is looking right now. Let's see. Majors. Take a look at UJ. That's the GJ trade that I've been in since the 4th. Let's take a look at UJ real quick. Currently in an uptrend. Lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, week down, lower low, lower high, high, let's see this 78.6 with the push up. Let's be careful. To have 4-hour candle imbalance. Yeah, put some time frame here. Just to be fair, yeah, we may get the 78.6 entry on that on J. 42 up. 42 up. Okay, it's gonna pierce through that. Take this way. Do that. I prefer it for these come back. Just the zone. Alright, let's jump over the euro. Back over. Yeah, we get that push up. If I were to scalp it and get in, it would be at the break test of this 5-minute zone right there. So we did have a good entry. We wicked through the 61.8, rejected the 78.6, which we had a 5-minute zone here. Gave us an engulfing with this wick through and this rejection. So I mean, even here would have been a good entry. We would have had been up in profit by 3 pips. Drawdown at 4 pips would currently be in a drawdown about 1 pip. Yeah. See, but we have 11 minutes. 11 minutes until that news drops. That news from JP. Take a look a little bit of the tail of the tape on the 5-minute. Yeah, it's still going up. Yeah. This JPY has been going up. Check over the euro. Alright guys, I'm back. Let's see, what did I miss? Just pushing up. Touch that. I have not gone over gold. Still kind of in this channel here, just correct the channel. Gold is definitely an uptrend. Just correct the channel. Okay. Yeah, we need this to close for us and getting a gold thing to come up to buy gold. It's not at the bottom of the channel, but I don't think it's gonna go down until the bottom of the channel. Getting a nice rejection on the day we had that push down. I guess you have to see when the news comes out. It should come out in about what, 6 minutes? 5 minutes, yeah. About 5 minutes. So technically gold, if the consensus is correct, which I doubt it is, gold should go down. GU should go down. GJ should go up. U should go down. UJ should go up. US cash should go up. Definitely getting a nice entry set up on the 61.8 here. The only thing I don't like is that, let's see, like on the 1 hour, there's really no structure here. It should be pushing us up. Maybe on a 30 minute with that doji. Let's take a look at the 15 minute. Okay, 15 minute. That may be where we're getting that reluctancy. So US CAD is kind of in line with the consensus. But Euro, I mean, we're pretty much in an uptrend type pattern. It's just been pushing up. Don't have a break of this low, so I mean technically you're still on the uptrend. We'll see. 3 minutes. 3 minutes. We'll see in 3 minutes. Meantime, we back out. Let me grab my bait real quick. back. Let's see. Euro is cheating down. Euro USD is cheating down before the news. I'm thinking UCAD would be better since both those guys are in session technical. So just so you guys know, I think Euro USD is going to go up, even though based on the consensus it should be going down. And I think US CAD? I think US CAD is UCAD is in line with the consensus. Six, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Going up. Euro USD is going up. Can't always go on that news, guys. Can't always go on that consensus. You just you gotta use your brain. So I mean, it's not over with just yet. It can still push down. But I think this is going to give us our volume and our momentum that we need to break this 5 minute to go ahead and get the 4 hour candlestick imbalances filled. That's just my thought. I could be wrong. USD CAD going up. That was more in line with the consensus. And plus, you got US CAD, they're both in session right now. So the United States and the CAD, they're both in session right now. I wonder what the S&P 500 is doing, if anything, if it's reacting off of the news. No, it does not. Gold reacting. 5 minute. No, not really. Getting a push down. News counter is going down. So I was wrong as far as the news candle. Still think the overall thing is going to go up. But it's funny how the technicals for US CAD is kind of matching those fundamentals as well. This is why I don't trade the news, because I was wrong. Totally wrong. It's still going to go up. Let's see. Nice push down. Let's switch over to the browser. Let's take a look. Actual didn't come out yet. Did not get an entry for the last 4 hours. So. Gosh, I hate how this does. Never trailed before. I knew that they would get an entry on a 1 hour. So I mean, we still would have been looking good. We would not. There was no reason for us to get in this trade. So. Let it do its thing anyway. My GJ trade is still intact so far. Alright, that's that 5-minute news candle. Hey guys, is my stream buffering? I have a little bit of delay on it just to make sure, but let me know if the stream is or is not buffering. Is or is not buffering. Let me know if it's buffering. May end up having to run some Cat 5 through the house. I'm just sending a quick email real quick. else here? All right, we did get a push through to 78.6. Whiskey cat is looking good. GJ has gone down on me. That would be fine if we get a push through this 4-hour zone and I get stopped out, then that's fine. We have to make some money on it. And probably after this GJ trade, I'm going to be looking to scalp more. And I will get that push. Push on gold. Gold is back testing. See, 10, 12, let's see, I've been with you guys for what, almost 2 hours now. Got some other things I gotta get taken care of here, guys, so let me see, possibly definitely a Dallas, man. See if I can get Dallas some type of, maybe I'm biased. Just the bias, guys. It's not trading advice. This is just the bias. to go with that tomato. Alright, so we have this on, test it. Yeah, I'll work that retrace to drop more, maybe get retrace back. I doubt if we get that retrace. Yeah, we'll probably get more of a drop. So, USD didn't get that breakup like I thought we would get. So that's what it is. USD XY. Did we do anything for it? Yeah, we kind of got a favor of the US dollar there. Yeah, all these pairs favor the US dollar. Can't take a while to sell, so that. I'm looking for a buy on. Oh, it was USD CAD. I was actually looking for a buy. I was supposed to be looking for a buy on USD CAD. And actually had it. Forgot about that. CAD, so this. Yeah, it makes sense. CAD, so it sells. USD CAD buy. Yes, I still would have been locked in with GJ. Look for an entry. So currently right now GJ, it looks like we may get a retest of this. Wait. What was the direction of this? Uptrend, right? Uptrend on the monthly, because this high, nope, downtrend on the monthly. This high has not been broken. Downtrend on the weekly. Yeah. Downtrend, so it's probably getting finished with that corrective move. So yeah, probably gonna get inside. Yeah, we'll see. Make it another rally, make it another bull push, and continue on in this trade, and possibly seeing my TP hit right here at 679 pips. We'll see. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope I said or did something to help you in your trading. If you have not done so, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you like the video, like the video. If you dislike the video, please make sure you hit that thumbs down button twice to let me know how much you dislike the video. Comment below, leave your comments below. I'll respond to all of them. Just remember to be respectful of one another. And as always, guys, please remember, if you stay in God, you will stay in control. And until next time, happy pip fishing.